Hello and welcome everybody to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple, and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Shellpoint mortgage account. Now for those people who do not know Shellpoint, Shellpoint is a company which provides you mortgage, and mortgage basically means loan. So in a simple word, it's a loan providing company. Now with that said, if you guys want to log in into it, follow the steps. And yeah, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's move forward. So the first step is search for a Shellpoint mortgage login and click on the first link over here. It will take you to this website, and over here, you want to click on versus sign in. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this website. Over here just enter the username of your account and then enter the password of your account over here like this, and then click on submit. Once you do that, you should be able to log it into your Shellpoint mortgage account. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.